And now let's do the same thing for our CSS. So I'm going to go back to our editor, and here in concat CSS, I'm going to erase the source files that are there already, and we'll put these on individual lines just like we did with concat.js. And I'll go to our index.html file, scroll up to the top, and go through all of our CSS. So I'm just going line by line here until we find our first CSS, which is right here. And I'll copy the location, jump to the Grunt file, and I'll paste it in here and surround it with quotes in source under concat CSS. And here's our next CSS, so I'll copy that location and I'll paste it in here with quotes. I'll go back, and then we have this normalized CSS and also styles.css. So I'll copy this one, paste it in here, and then finally our css.styles.css. And then for the destination, let's put this in our CSS folder and we'll call it allcss.css. Save this. And I'm going to remove this version here, and so it runs all the versions of the concat task. I'll save it. Let's try this one more time. I'll type grunt. And now we have our alljs.js and our allcss.css. I'm going to jump back to the File Explorer and go back up so we can take a look at our CSS folder. And there it is, 45 kilobytes.